Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram, welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys how I created this look using a sari and a bangle. You heard me right, I just used a sari and a bangle to create this DIY canopy, and you can see how beautiful it has turned out. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. I'm just so excited to share with you guys this idea. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Only then you'll get notification of all my future videos. So this is the space I'm going to transform today. So I have taken this knitted sari which I rarely use. I'm using this bangle. I'm just going to insert the sari into the bangle like this. Now we have inserted the sari. I am just going to hang this bangle in the nail on the wall like this. And I am taking this cushion which I already had. I am going to place it here. Now what we have to do is we have to take the extra sari. We have the extra sari, right? We have to just wrap the sari under the cushion like this. We have to do the same thing on both the sides. So after completing all those steps, this is how our DIY canopy looks. Isn't it looking amazing? I just love this one. So now let us place some cushions. Now I am going to use this green mat which I got from Mega Mart, and this shelf I got it from Banggood. So I am just hanging it on the wall like this, and on which I am going to place a indoor plant. And then I am taking my DIY glass jar in which I am placing this artificial leaves. I'm taking here the DIY craft which was done by my 4 years old daughter. She just painted paper cups and stuck some pista shells on it, which I attached to bamboo stick. Just use a hesiok to this. You can hang it anywhere and it will add a good pop of color to your decor. And I'm using this artificial butterfly over here, and I'm placing in a candle. Now I am going to hang this decor which I got from Myntra on the wall like this. I am going to take this traditional wall hanging which I am going to hang on my curtain rod which we don't use, and I am taking in a basket like this in which I am going to attach this artificial leaves like this. And then I am going to take this butterfly and which I am going to attach like this. And then I am going to put this on the wall. So let me switch off the light and show you guys how the basket actually looks. You can see it looks so beautiful over there. And on the side I am going to use a mat like this. On this I am going to place a tire for which I have taken a waste tire which I washed completely, and then I am going to paint it with enamel paint. Just add some 2 to 3 drops of turpentine oil and enamel paint and you can paint the tire. Always remember the enamel paint takes a lot of time to dry, so allow it to dry for 24 hours before applying the second coat. After you apply the second coat, allow it to dry for another 24 hours and finally apply a layer of varnish. This tire I used in my Diwali makeover. So I'm just going to place it over here, on which I'm going to use this vegetable cutter which I already painted in white, on which I'm going to paint with enamel yellow. I will be following the same steps which I did for transforming the tire. I will apply first layer, allow it to dry for 24 hours and then apply second coat and allow it to dry for 24 hours and finally apply a layer of varnish. So this is how it looks once completed. I did not want to paint anything on it as it will not be visible. So on the top of it I am placing this planter in which I am placing this money plant, and this is a DIY done by my daughter. I am placing it there for a pop of color, and then I am taking this DIY cake stand which I did for my daughter's birthday. On the stand I am placing my DIY basket in which I am placing a money plant. And this is my another DIY. Links to all the DIY will be available in the description box. I'm just placing some books here and I'm going to place my glass jar over there. Now I'm adding in some candles. Now comes the important step in DIY canopy, that is installing fairy lights. So you can see they will instantly transform the space, and that completes our DIY canopy and DIY reading corner. Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye to your love again. Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on, baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you. So you can see by using a simple saree and a bangle, we could create a beautiful reading corner. We can create this for kids. They are going to absolutely love it. I hope you guys would have liked this video. So you don't need any fancy items here. You can use whatever things are available at home. I just made it with the things which are available with me at home. If you guys make this, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I have given my Instagram ID in the description box below. I always believe a house is made of bricks and beams. A home is made of love and dreams. Always collect things you love that are authentic to you, and your house becomes your story. A home is where our heart is. So each one of us are different and each one of us have different ideas. I hope this video of mine would have given you guys some idea to decorate your home. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up because it motivates me to do more such videos. And if you're new here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon. Only then you get notification of all my future videos. And this is the look without any lights. You can see how beautiful it looks. I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye.